Replace a brake master cylinder in a Chevrolet S10. The brake master cylinder is the component of a car that allows the brake fluid to travel through the brake line. The master cylinder provides just enough pressure to make this happen. If you find that the brake master cylinder of your Chevrolet S10 is broken, you must take immediate action to have it replaced, since this will affect your brakes. You can get into road accidents when you have a defective master cylinder. Here are the steps that you can follow in order to replace the brake master cylinder of your Chevrolet S10. Materials that you need. The materials that you need are a wrench, rubber plugs, screwdriver, plastic tubing, the replacement brake master cylinder, brake fluid, and some rags. Preparation. Park your vehicle on a level plane so that it is easier to work on your car. Lay down some rags underneath the vehicle. This will make it easier for you to clean the mess afterwards. The brake fluid can spill when you are fixing the master cylinder, so it is best to use absorbent rags. Remove the components. To start, remove the nuts that are connecting the brake line to the master cylinder. You can use a wrench to do this. Detach the brake lines from the cylinder. Use a rubber plug at the end of the brake line to protect it from being contaminated. Now you can remove the brake master cylinder. To do this, remove the nuts mounting it in place with a wrench. Once you have removed the brake master cylinder, take off the cover and then drain out the brake fluid inside. Replace the brake master cylinder. Get the replacement brake master cylinder and fill it with brake fluid. The next step is to press your fingers over the holes on the cylinder. Use the screwdriver and plug it on the piston. Remove your fingers from the holes. Afterwards, mount the brake master cylinder on the area where you removed it from. Secure the brake master cylinder with the nuts. Twist them on tightly. Reinstall the brake line to the brake master cylinder, but make sure to remove the rubber plug first. Prepare the brake system. The last thing you have to do is to prepare the brake system of your car. To do this, connect the clear tubing to the valve. Ask someone to press on the brake pedal for you. This will remove the air from the brake line to make it ready for using. Afterwards, test your brake system to see if it works well. These are the steps that you have to follow when replacing the brake master cylinder on your Chevrolet S10. Replacing the brake master cylinder is quite simple. Once you get used to this, it will be easier for you to replace it the next time. Learn how to do some minor car repairs so that you do not have to depend on a professional to do it for you. This will save you plenty of money in the process.